Hello friends and welcome on today's video. This is our Sophisticated Ladies Club Gold Rush / birthday party celebration for Miss Cal. So we want to take time to wish Miss Cal a happy and blessed birthday and many, many more. Guys, we're so glad that you took time to stop in, and we're so grateful that you participated with us on today. May the Lord bless you. So once again, I wish you happy birthday, Miss Cal. Friends, in today's video, I am going to show you how to style my table in my bedroom, my guest bedroom, for this gold rush. Not everything I use I already had, as you saw in the beginning of the video. I did a small DIY and just use everything that I had. So being that this is a gold rush video, you know we had to add some gold. So thank everyone for participating with us. I thank you so much, and I hope you get something inspirational out of this video, because guys, you don't have to spend a whole lot of money to get beautiful decor in your home. So I'm just sharing with you just a little bit on how I put this all together. Now I just used just a gold cloth that I had, and I already had these things, and I'm just gonna kind of just swag it a little bit across this table to add that gold, because it's a small table and I did not want to cover the whole table because I'm going to add my decor. Friends, before I go out and buy anything, I always use what I have. And many of you already saw me bought this ginger jar from Home Goods. So I'm going to get my money worth out of my decor. Just use my little stand because I am going to add my pumpkin. Hey guys, let me tell you about this pumpkin. This is also a DIY, but I did not, share it. But I DIY'd it, and I used some of the gold leaf on it, and I'm telling you, it looked a little 3D, but I love it. It's already was a white, and I just spray painted with some gold. Now using the gold leaf for this is a little messy, so that's why I kind of didn't share that with you. But I found out there's also some liquid gold that you can use in the water, so I may try that, guys, because I just love the gold look. And it is so easy to add gold spray to upgrade your pieces. And if you go to the thrift store and you find some beautiful vases and pieces, and you don't know what to do with it, and you're a person loves gold or silver or maybe white, guys, spray paint is your best friend. Make sure you're using the spray paint. And this is also my acorn that I added some gold leaf to. And by now you know I'm going with a fall look. friends, for my look number 2, I added my potpourri vase because I want to give it some more white in this style, and added some fall flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree. So guys, what you think? Just keeping it simple. I really wish I had went to Michael's and got the hanging flowers, especially for the DIY gold vase, guys. Wow, I'm telling you, it's so amazing. So guys, let me take time to also introduce Miss Lovemybabiesforever, Miss Tamara, Miss Robin from Table Talk with Robin, Miss Tammy Thompson from Tammy Thompson TVMG, and guys, also Penny, which is me, from the Sophisticated Ladies Club. We thank y'all so much for celebrating this wonderful time with us. It's Kel's birthday. We thank God for her, and thank God for all the beautiful season that God is blessing us with. So guys, what y'all think about my DIY pumpkin? Tell me if you like it or don't like it. So I just kept this simple on the nightstands, and I really wish I had the white flowers to hang in the vase, but just keeping it simple is just as good. And like I said, it's that fall season, guys. So I am so surprised. I'm so surprised how beautiful that gold vase came out. And this is my other ginger jar that I've been having from Home Goods, and this is blue, white, and gold. It is so pretty, guys. And friends, if you cannot find the ginger jars to match your tables, if you got more than one to bring symmetry, just paint a vase. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and please, if you're new, please do subscribe. And I thank y'all. And I thank all my faithful friends and followers. God bless y'all, and have a blessed, prosperous day from Penny. Bye-bye.